Yep. Now it's recording. Hi.
Hi.
All right, we're starting Carol of the Bells. And you need to, we're doing the diction. So make sure that you have a pencil. Because we're going to write down the way that we pronounce these words and the syllables that I need to have you. I need to have you hear. I need to hear you saying. Hark. Hark.
Hark.
Hark. With a hard K. Hark how the bells. Hark how the bells. Hark. So take the pencil and draw a K, a bigger K over the K and a bigger H over the H. Hark. I need to hear the H, H, and the K in hark. Hark how the bells. No R. Hark.
I like how you no.
No R's.
No.
No R's. Cross out the R in hark. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells. No R in silver. No R in silver. All seem to say throw cares away. Now remember, when we say the word throw, we don't say throw. We just say throw. Throw cares away. Throw cares away. Throw cares away. No R in cares.
No R in cares.
No R in cares. Okay, so now I say, then you repeat. Okay. Hark how the bells. Sweet silver bells. All seem to say throw cares away. Christmas is here. Bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Notice that on the word Christmas, a lot of people like to say Christmas, where they hold out the S in Christmas. No, we hold out the I in Christmas. Christmas is here. Christmas is here. Christmas is here. No S. No S. No, Christmas is here. Christmas is here. Okay, so make sure that you draw that S and you point it at the mas. Take an arrow underneath the S and just draw it to the mas, or draw a big long I, or however you can to remind yourself that we say Christmas, not Christmas. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Cross out the R in cheer.
No.
Cheer. Cheer to young and old. Now the great thing about this tune is it goes fast, so we're not really going to hear a lot of the R's anyway.
Oh, that's good.
What I do need to hear is you have to make sure that I can hear the difference between your P for Paco and B for bacon. P and B. Pa. We'll be doing a lot more articulation exercises. Paco, it's just a name.
You just made it up.
It's not made up. It's my uncle's name. Just kidding. We are going to do a lot more articulation exercises in our warm-ups, where we work on the difference between P and B, and T for target and D for dog.
Target.
Okay? Ta-da. Christmas is here. Oh, all the way. Also, no R in here. Christmas is here. Christmas is here. Bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold.
In the bowl. We're the bowl over here because we're over here singing in front of an audience. Is it a high song? Like can it get the soprano go like?
Yeah, that's how you start. So we just got to measure 14, 15, 16. We finished measure 16. Okay, now we're going to backtrack and we're going to look at the top voice. Ding dong, ding dong. Now when we say these ding dongs for our Carol of the Bells, normally we would elongate the vowels. Ding dong, ding dong. But it sounds cooler when we elongate the N. Ding dong, ding dong. Now, with our tongue, these are my teeth. This is my tongue. We want to raise and do N with the back of our tongue instead of the front of our tongue. We're normally used to going but do the with the back. Ding dong, ding dong. Okay?
That's so weird.
Everyone say ding. Ready, together. Ding dong, ding dong. My bad.
Whoa.
Wrong note. Again, and ding dong, ding dong. Now the actual starting pitch is ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
That's pretty high.
Ding dong. All right.
Everybody gonna sing that high?
Sadie, can you shut the door?
Only sopranos. Wait, so only the sopranos are gonna do that part?
Yes. So
We're special.
So part two, we're gonna keep the same parts that we did for the banner. So if you sing part one in the banner, then you're singing top part. If you sing part two in the banner, you're singing bottom part. We will be doing a little bit of switching with some people every now and then for different tunes. Just to give everyone, just to give you girls the experience of singing both parts because your voices are changing, but we can totally, you can sing higher if we practice.
So the ding dong and the bringing good cheer at the same time.
They are happening at the same time. That's called partner song. It does sound cool. All right, stand up. Stand up. If you're singing part two, we are starting at Hark How the Bells. We're not gonna sing it too fast yet. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells. Ready, set, and here we go. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Now, make sure that I hear the K in meek. Draw a nice big K on meek and the bold. All seem to say, sweet silver bell. And the T in sweet, I need to hear the T in sweet. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, toll cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Meek, meek
Sounds
and
like
the
some
bold.
sort of
Again, part two. Ready, set, here we go. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. Just that much. Now, top parts. We're gonna start at ding dong, right there at the repeat sign. Ready? Ding dong, ding dong. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
For now. For now. Again, ready, and okay. Now they're gonna start singing. They're gonna say, "Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away." Ding dong, ding dong.
That's not bad.
Okay, it's gonna be fun. Okay, not too fast. Everyone together at "Hark how the bells."
Do we do hark how the bells?
No.
Together?
You do not sing Hark How the Bells. You wait until you start with the ding dongs.
Ding dong.
Okay? So they're going to do Hark How the Bells. Ready? And hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Yeah. Okay, now let's do it again. This time without the piano. I will give you your starting pitch, but I won't keep playing. Please pay attention. Part twos, you're good at holding down your pitch. You're like, we're singing the same thing the whole time. Yes, I can sing those three notes. Ready, and hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the bold. That's it.
Wow.
Now we just need to hear more.
More.
It's kind of high up there. More sopranos. Okay. It'll totally help when our online friends are like singing with us
Thank you.
because you know they exist.
Yeah, all my
It's
friends
hard Okay.
sing along.
All right, now we're gonna keep going. Ding dong, ding dong. Aha. Part twos. We're starting at. Notice, by the way, we're looking at the music. There's a big old 14 down at the bottom.
Yes.
That means this is measure 14, and then measure 15, and then measure 16.
What happened to the
So on.
measures of the rest of them? Like 1, 2, 3. What happened to them?
They didn't write them all down. They don't need to because they believe that you know how to count. Okay, so you got to do a little work and count it yourself. They'll give you every now and then a couple of measures. So there's measure 14 and then 15, 16, 17. We are starting at measure 17. Part two, you're saying ding, dong, ding, dong. That is their song.
What?
Ding, dong, ding, dong. That is their song with joyful ring, all caroling.
Right here.
Ding, 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 dong.
Ding ding ding. Sadie over here.
Wait, so
ding dong dong. Ding ding dong dong. You have to say it.
Okay.
dinging.
Measure 16, 14, 15, 16, 17, my bad. Measure 17, part 2, ding dong ding dong. Ready, set, here we go. Ding dong ding dong, that is their song with joyful ring, all caroling. We're just adding next phrase. One more time, ding dong ding dong. 1, 2, 3, part 2, ready, go. Ding dong ding dong, that is their song with joyful ring, all caroling. Part 1, it's ding.
Ding.
Ding, ding. Ready, part 1, go. Ding dong, ding dong. It jumps.
I went down because I saw the note.
Let's do it. Let's do it again. Right there. Measure 17. Ding, ready, and ding dong, ding dong. Get used to that jump. Ding dong, ding dong. Now, what is that interval?
That's a perfect.
Is a perfect fourth.
That was perfect.
What?
It sounded pretty.
Ding dong. That last ding dong. Ding dong. It's a perfect fourth,
It's a perfect.
which is ascending. It's the Here Comes the Bride tune. Okay, part 1. We're gonna start at the repeat. At the repeat. So that's measure 13. Ready, and ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. One more time. Ready, and ding dong, ding
p.m.
dong, ding dong. All right.
Where is it?
I like how you just lifted up. So you're right.
Remember this?
Like in the cartoon. Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Here's found you.
Okay.
Found you.
Your pitches, part 2, it doesn't change. You just got to make sure you're saying the right words. So we're going to start all the way at Hark How the Bells. Beginning. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, and hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Ding, ding, dong, ding, dong, ding, dong, ding, dong. Yep. And then it changes, kind of. All right. So does everybody see how the notes change up and down and you can kind of figure out where your pitch is? All right, with that being said,
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Ding or dong. Gosh.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. Oh my God. Ding dong.
okay,
You know, I heard ding ding dong.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
That is too high. Ding dong ding dong.
ladies,
Ding dong.
please be quiet.
Okay.
Please be quiet.
Recording us?
I am still recording.
Oh my God.
I am still recording. They can hear everything. Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to play the recording of Carol of the Bells, and I want you to sing along as much as you can.
Are we gonna let it play through all the way?
Yep,
Yes.
all of it, everything.
Oh wait, so we try to sing everything?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Start singing.
I'm going to mute my microphone so that the recording will pick up the computer doing its own thing. So those of you at home will be singing along with what they hear. That way this microphone doesn't pick up that speaker.
Yes.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You'll get it. It'll make sense in a moment once I
The thing is, we can get that loud and it's don't even show.
la 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 la.
Don't even sing softer.
Okay, never mind. I can't take that down. All right. Carol of the Bells.
Sweet silver bells all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, ring, ring, good cheer. Ding, 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 with trouble ring, all around. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, raising the sound. Oh, hailing their telling the tale. Healing the ring, people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Ding, dong, sing, dong, ding, dong, ding, dong. Repeat all the way back to measure 13. Christmas is here. Dong, ding, dong, ding, dong, ding, dong. Listen, sopranos. All seem to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they pound, praising the sound. Oh, healing there, telling the tale. Healing the ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Ding dong, ding dong, It is short.
It
is pretty though.
Okay, so we're going to talk super quick about the repeat. So the repeat section means that you repeat that section. Eyes up here. Sorry, let me also show it to the camera. We're singing piano. We sing here. We notice the repeat sign in measure 13. We just keep singing. We go down to this, sing the second page. It's going great. And then we notice this bracket up here that says a number 1 on top of it.
Yeah.
That means first ending. We sing that until we see that repeat and we go back to measure 13. When we get back to measure 13, we just sing all of that again. And this time when we hit the first ending again, we skip those measures that are under the 1 bracket and go straight to the 2 bracket and sing to the end. The end. All right. Bell's gonna ring in 2 minutes. Don't worry, or yeah, let's see how fast we can pack that up. Let me stop this.
We keep the sheet music with us?
Yes, you keep it.